Gambler.
Here we are at Mitcham Eastfields station level crossing in Greater London with Joe M Trains and train level 123. These barriers are brand new and the whole crossing's new.
And train level 123. Also, the old barriers are down there. Down we go. Okay, so time
Time now is 9:49 on Sunday the 4th of March 2018. This is for your 0952 to Oscar 29 Southern Thameslink service from London Blackfriars to Sutton, Surrey.
And I believe.
Well, it has got 4 alarms. Is that one over?
Yeah.
I didn't realise that. Otherwise, I'd have gone and run over and heard what the other one sounded like. Oh damn! It has got 4 alarms. All the other wigwags, apart from this one, have all long, short shades. What?
Old GWE barriers are down there.
Oh yeah, this used to have GWE barriers, but they've obviously recently been taken up.
It's because the barrier plates.
Steve DD1 caught this with GWEs back
Actually,
in
look.
8 months ago.
See the excuse?
Oh yeah, it's got cover. It's covered up. Look,
Still got cover on it.
this barrier was made on the 20th of something 2017.
Here we go. 700.
Oh, you're 700 008. $700 to Sutton, Surrey. First ever time I've seen one of them.
Well, actually, I think the 707 is based on the 700. And that they go.